catch HIV. Jero mana pick two. They are shower babies. Really, no, okay, but let's go down for long way. Guys, hey, babies.
Mama. Hey, don't mama me. I'm gonna call today's no good. Why have you not been picking my call?
You called?
Yes, now 10 minutes call, you not pick my call.
But you know tell me say they come now.
I don't think it's they call. Why you not pick my call?
Jesus!
Eh?
This na public this thing.
Now, Bob, like to Sammy. Why didn't you pick my call? Okay. Yeah! What? What is it?
I need feel fine.
That's not my business.
Like malaria.
That's not my business. Me and my boyfriend, we are talking. So, Alpha, you don't see my message.
Okay. That one way you say you need to remake your hair. And you want to buy new clothes.
Yes.
And your inner wear want to change it.
Yes.
And the 150,000.
150,000.
150,000.
Yes.
For iPhone.
Yes.
I know Siam.
What?
I swear I know Siam. You see Siam?
No.
Jesus.
No.
I'm telling you, I can and buy it, or I make my hair today. You must see it today. Oh, it's short. Wait.
We're outside now.
Excuse me, who has to help? Who has to help? If you know you want to help yourself, stand up. Let's go out now. Because I will not tolerate that rubbish.
I never expected it.
Now like this, please don't waste my time here. Please don't waste my time.
No. I beg, bring me 100,000. I beg, I will give you tomorrow.
1,000. 20 I go fire the two of you. 20 I fire the two of you.
Fire two of us.
Yes.
I don't understand.
Go fire two
No,
of
make
you.
me just start with you this afternoon. No, no, you start me.
Yesterday the gari kwaki you take na mama chose your own 17 naira you the ola you never give them. You go they use you the kolo.
Do me a favor, please.
For your life
Get out of here.
jaga me.
Get
I
out
don't
of
kill
here,
mama for
man.
your sake.
Shit, I'm
You
saying.
go for your kata for
You come.
When he give you for chabio.
Hey, not touch you. Let's go there. I'm not going inside, so I go and wind me again.
And now.
You think I don't know now? Excuse me. Neighbors, come outside though. This guy promised me 150,000 naira and he refused to give to me. Come here.